The DJI Mavic series has always been known for its innovative ideas and high quality in the world of drones. With each new model, DJI has pushed the boundaries of what drones can do, and the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro seems ready to do the same. Expected to launch in 2025, the Mavic 4 Pro is generating a lot of excitement. This is thanks to leaks and rumors suggesting big improvements in both its design and features. So, let's jump straight into the video to learn more about what the DJI Mavic 4 Pro might bring us. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to maintain the compact and foldable design that has become a hallmark of the Mavic series, ensuring portability without compromising on performance. Leaked images suggest a slightly larger camera module, which could indicate enhanced imaging capabilities. Despite this, the drone's weight is rumored to be approximately 1,045 grams, about 2.30 pounds, slightly heavier than its predecessor, the Mavic 3 Pro. This minimal increase in weight is likely due to the incorporation of advanced features and a larger battery, which we'll discuss further. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades for the Mavic 4 Pro is its incredible new camera. It is rumored to feature a massive 100-megapixel Hasselblad image sensor, which would be a huge improvement over the 20-megapixel sensor on the Mavic 3 Pro. This means the Mavic 4 Pro could capture stunningly detailed photos and videos, making it a game-changer for professional photographers and videographers. Imagine the level of detail you could achieve in aerial shots every scene, whether it's a sweeping landscape or intricate architecture, would be captured with amazing clarity and sharpness. Another rumored addition is stepless electronic ND filters. These filters let you adjust the brightness of your shots in real time, without having to land the drone and manually switch filters. This feature would make it much easier to adapt to changing lighting conditions, like moving from bright sunlight to a shaded area. It adds convenience and flexibility that's perfect for capturing great content in all kinds of environments, whether you're shooting at sunrise, sunset, or during a sunny afternoon. For people who love drones, flight time is really important, and the Mavic 4 Pro might set a new record with an amazing 52-minute flight time. That's a big improvement from the Mavic 3 Pro's 43 minutes. How does it manage this? A bigger battery. Reports say the battery size has grown by about 5.4% based on FCC filings. What does this mean for you? It means you can fly longer, take more awesome photos and videos, and spend less time charging the battery. This upgrade will make your flying time more useful and let you focus on capturing the perfect shot without feeling rushed. Another exciting rumor is about DJI's OcuSync technology, which sends live video from the drone to your controller. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to come with OcuSync 4 Plus, an updated version of the current OcuSync 4. Even though details aren't confirmed yet, this new technology could be a big improvement. For instance, OcuSync 4 already offers a range of up to 20 kilometers under FCC rules. O4 Plus might go even further and give better live video quality. Imagine seeing a live video feed in 4K resolution at 30 FPS while flying. This would make flying smoother and more fun, and help you plan and capture amazing shots much more easily. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to be paired with the DJI RC2, the latest consumer remote controller featuring a built-in 5.5-inch display with 700 nit brightness. This controller supports OcuSync 4 and is presumed to be compatible with O4 Plus, ensuring seamless integration and control. The built-in screen would provide users with a clear and bright display, essential for outdoor operations, and eliminate the need for a separate mobile device, streamlining the setup process. the Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to bring some exciting new features that could make flying and capturing amazing shots easier and safer. One of the most talked about upgrades is the addition of stepless electronic ND filters. These filters help you control how bright or dark your photos and videos look, even while you're flying. Imagine being able to adjust the exposure in real time without having to land and swap filters. This means you can capture stunning shots whether it's bright and sunny or cloudy and dim, giving you more control over how your images turn out. Another big improvement might be in its obstacle avoidance system. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to have more advanced sensors that can detect obstacles in every direction. This could make flying much safer, especially in tricky areas with trees, buildings, or other objects in the way. With better sensors, the drone might also be able to perform more complex movements and maneuvers, even in tight or challenging spaces. These updates would make the Mavic 4 Pro not just smarter, but also more reliable, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying as much about crashes or mistakes. While official pricing has not been announced, industry analysts speculate that the Mavic 4 Pro will be priced similarly to its predecessor, with a starting price of around $2,199. This pricing strategy would position the Mavic 4 Pro competitively within the high-end consumer drone market, appealing to both professional users and serious hobbyists seeking advanced features without venturing into enterprise-level pricing. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro looks like an exciting upgrade in the Mavic series, bringing big improvements to its camera, flight features, and overall user experience. Rumors suggest it might be released in April 2025, and many drone fans and professionals are already excited. If the leaks turn out to be true, the Mavic 4 Pro could raise the bar for drones, showing why DJI is a top name in aerial imaging technology. However, it's good to stay cautiously optimistic about these details. Leaks give us a fun sneak peek at possible features, but the official announcement from DJI will tell us exactly what the Mavic 4 Pro can do. Even so, the thought of these new advancements has created a buzz in the drone world. Everyone is eager to see what this new drone will bring to the Mavic series and how it will change aerial photography and videography. So that was all about DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Thanks for watching. What are your thoughts about these rumors about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro? Let us know in the comments section below.